So, good day everyone. For today's discussion, I will discuss how computer application help the agricultural and engineering sector in our society. So, this, uh, before we are going to the main discussion, let me discuss to you first the objectives. In this section, we will discuss the importance of computer application in agricultural and engineering sector. So, before we are going to our main discussion, let me discuss to you first the meaning of computer, agricultural sector, and engineering sector. So, a computer is a machine that performs a variety of tasks according to specific. So, yan yung meaning ng computer. So, agricultural sector. A sector of economy which include craft animal production. So, engineering sector. It is a branches of science and technology concerned with the design, building, the use of machines, and structures. So now, we are going to discuss about the agricultural sector. We will discuss here kung ano yung naitutulong ng computer in the agricultural sector. So number one is the precision agriculture. Computer application enable farmers to use data from GPS and satellite imagery to monitor field variability and apply inputs like fertilizer and pesticides more efficiently, resulting in higher yields and reduced waste. So, sinasabi dito, sa precision agriculture, as we know, meron tayong iba't ibang ginagamit sa pag-a-apply ng fertilizer and pesticides. Kung nakikita na kayo ng ganun, example ng ganun, makikita natin mamaya yung example ng precision agriculture. So, number 2 is farm management. These applications help farmers plan, monitor, and analyze the activities on the farm, including crop planning, labor management, and inventory control, leading to better decision making and resource management. So, ang sinasabi naman dito sa farm management software, ang application na to ay tinutulungan ang mga farmers to plan, monitor, analyze doon kung makikita mo doon kung may sakit yung tinanim mo, kung okay ba yung tinanim mo. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng farm management. Kung baga mamamanage mo yung tanim mo mamamanage mo ng tanim mo. Ganon, yung ibig sabihin ng farm management software. So, number 3 is all about data analysis and forecasting. Computers can process large amount of data to yield insights about weather patterns, soil condition, and crop performance, helping farmer make informed decisions regarding planting and harvesting time. So, bilang isang farmers, alam naman natin i-control yung sarili natin tungkol sa pagtatanim. For example, kung yung soil is hindi pwedeng taniman ng palay, magtatanim ka ba? So, hindi. So, we have data analysis and forecasting. Kumbaga, titignan mo muna yung soil bago mo ito taniman. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng data analysis and forecasting. So, punta naman tayo sa number 4, irrigation management. A computer-controlled irrigation system can optimize water usage by monitoring soil, moisture levels, and weather conditions, which help conserve water and improve crop health. So, dito naman sa irrigation management, ang pagkakalam ko, lahat naman is meron tayong irrigation. Yung irrigation na yon, makokontrol natin yung water na mapupunta sa ating pananim. Mamonitor natin kung gaano kakailangan ng mga pananim mo na tubig. So the number 5 is all about supply chain management. Computer applications facilitate better logistic and supply chain management, allowing farmers to track their products from farm to market, reduce waste, and ensure timely deliveries. So dito naman sa supply chain management, sinasabi dito na ang example dito is yung mga tractor, yung mga trailer. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na madi-deliver mo yung product mo ng mabilisan gamit ang applications na yan or um, truck na yan. So number 6 is research and development. Computers support agricultural research by enabling stimulation, modeling, and analysis of genetic data, which can accelerate the development of new crop varieties resistant to pests and diseases. Dito naman sa research and development, kumbaga tinutulungan ka ng computer para mag-research kung ano, for example, yung palay mo dumidilaw and you need to search it kung ano yung sakit na yon. So yun yung tulong ng computer sa agriculture. So number 7 is about market access in e-commerce. Online platforms and application allow farmers to access broader market, sell products directly to consumers, and obtain fair prices without intermediaries. So sinasabi naman dito sa market access in e-commerce, online selling. Kumbaga, ibebenta mo yung produkto mo using computer, using social media. Pwedeng Facebook, pwedeng YouTube, Messenger. Pwede mo doon ibenta ng mabilisan. So, yun yung tulong ng computer sa agricultural sector. So, number 8 is all about pest and disease management. Advanced software can help in identifying pests, infestations, and diseases through image recognition and predictive analytics, allowing for timely interventions that can save crops. Sinasabi naman dito na sa pest and disease management, I discussed it earlier, nasabi ko na kanina na yung example na kapag dumidilaw yung palay na tinanim mo, you need to search kung anong kung ano yung pesticides or gamot na i-spray mo sa iyong palay. So yun, mag-research ka kung anong gamot pwede sa dumidilaw na palay, sa mga peste, kung ano yung i-spray mo, ganon yung pest and disease management. So number 9 is all about education and training. Computer applications provide farmers with access to online resources, tutorials, and courses, enhancing their skills and knowledge about best practices in agriculture. So, sa YouTube, kung magsa-search ka about tutorials kung paano magtanim, kung paano mag-apply ng manure, kung paano mag-spray ng pesticides. Kung doon tinutulungan ka to gain knowledge about on how to plant, to apply pesticides. So yun yung tulong ng computer application. Nanood ka sa YouTube, nakakuha ng knowledge using your cellphones, laptop, mga ganon. So yun yung education and training. So the last is the drone technology. Drone equipped with computer application help in aerial imaging, crop monitoring, and assessing crop health, providing real-time data and reducing labor costs associated with the traditional accounting methods. So sinasabi naman dito sa drone technology, tinutulungan tayo para tignan yung mga palay natin, yung mga tinanim natin, kung okay ba sila. So, alam naman natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng drone, kung ano ang drone. So, yun yung mga 10 tulong ng computer applications in agricultural sector. So now we are now done discussing about the health of computer application in agricultural sector. Ngayon naman tatalakayin natin kung ano yung tulong ng computer application sa engineering sector. So ang una, enhanced design capabilities. Computer-aided design, CAD software, allows engineers to create detailed 2D and 3D models, enabling precise design and modifications that are difficult to achieve with traditional methods. Sinasabi dito na mapapadali ang paggawa ng 3D and 2D models ang computer application sa engineering. So number 2 is improved simulation and testing. Engineering application often include simulation tools that allow engineers to test how design will perform under various conditions, reducing the need of physical prototypes and minimizing costs. So number 3, increase productivity. Automation or repetitive tasks through software application frees up engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work, thereby increasing overall productivity. Number 4, data management and analysis. Engineering software can efficiently manage vast amounts of data, allowing for better analysis and decision making based on real-time data and historical trends. So number 5, collaboration in communication. So computer applications facilitate better collaboration among teams, allowing multiple engineers to work on a project simultaneously, share files, and communicate effectively through project management tools. So number 6, enhance accuracy. Computer applications reduce human error in calculations and measurements, leading to higher accuracy in engineering designs. So number 7, cost reduction by streamlining processes, reducing material waste through simulations and minimizing the need for physical prototypes. Computer application can significantly lower project costs. So number 8, project management. Software tools and for project management help engineers plan, execute, and monitor projects more effectively, ensuring that deadlines are met and resources are allocated efficiently. So number 9, documentation and compliance. Engineering application often include features for easy documentation, which help maintain compliance with industry standards and regulation by providing a clear record of design and changes. So, ang last is remote access and mobility. Many engineering applications are cloud-based, allowing engineers to access their work from anywhere, collaborate in real time, and maintain flexibility in their work environment. So, yun yung 10 tulong ng computer application sa engineering and agricultural sector. And thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.